Well, this big envelope arrived from the RSGB yesterday. I wonder what's in here. Really straightforward to open. It does rip a little bit. Okay. I think I know what that is. It'll come out. Oop. Yes. There we go. Let's get rid of that. It's the January RadCom. Looks like the RSGB have started using new envelopes, apparently, made out of paper, rather than the cornstarch compostable ones. I'm not actually sure as to why. I'm liking the cover on this as well. Celebrating the 100th volume of the Society's Journal. Really? Yeah, it does say there. Volume 100, number 1. Yeah, I've got loads of RadComs floating about. I've some that I haven't even opened the packets on yet. But it looks like the RSGB have decided to use paper envelopes. Or some sort of recyclable paper envelope anyway, because they'll obviously want it to be recyclable. Okay, I think that's my reading material for when I get a spare 2 minutes.